Do you want to delete voice messages on WhatsApp? You can remove WhatsApp audio messages with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete voice message on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To delete a voice message on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, navigate to the chat where the voice message you want to delete is located. You can remove audio messages from individual or group chat conversations. Now, scroll through the chat conversation to locate the voice message you want to delete. Once you find it, long press on the voice message until a menu option appears at the top. From the top of the screen, tap on the delete icon. Once you tap, a new pop-up screen appears. Here you will see various options like Delete for Everyone and Delete for Me. Choose Delete for Everyone to remove the voice message from both sides, or choose Delete for Me to remove the audio message only from your chat conversation. Remember, the Delete for Everyone option is not available for older messages. Once you select, the voice message is permanently deleted from both sides or only from your chat conversation.